Hello all my friends, thank you for your attention. Now I'm in Jatim. Today I will show you how to make these accessories. I hope you like and don't forget like, subscribe and comment this video. And now let's prepare the material that we will use to make these accessories. The materials are ribbon, flannel, thread and needle. We need long needle, it's about 10 centimeter, lighter, scissor, pin or clip, glue stick and glue gun. The first step, you take a organza ribbon, but I will tell you that you can see how to make this flower in my previous video in detail. The ribbon, the length 2 centimeter and the width 2 centimeter and the length 50 centimeter. You cut the edge of the ribbon. You take long needle and you start sewing. You give a gap of 2 centimeter between first stitch with the next stitch. The end of the ribbon you insert into the eye of the needle. Like this. You press the needle and you turn. Like this. You press the needle and the end of the ribbon come out like this and you cut. And like this. Okay, the second step, you cut the flannel like this and you make a leaf this. You need about 12 leaves. Okay. You take a flannel and give the glue and you put like this. Like this. 3 and 3. You give 3 also and 3. 12 leaves. Like this. Then you take a flower, 3 flower. Okay. Give the glue and you put here. The last step, you take pin, give the glue and you put under the flower. And the hair accessories has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.